today's episode of Scooter Bomb. All the pretty colourful plastics on this 27V jog are about to get stripped back off, because we need to get into the fuel system, the CVT, and make sure all the electronics work on this little bike. And if everything then does go to plan, maybe we might be able to give this little guy another ride at the end of the day. That's if this all goes to plan. Alright, so some of you may remember in the past when we pulled it all apart, we chucked it through the ultrasonic cleaner. Now it is extremely clean, everything is ready for reassembly, but this little front ramp plate is broken. Some of the little tabs are snapped off. Now that wasn't me, that's just how we got it. Now the difference with this little ramp plate is it has the sprocket built in. Now you can get these replacement ones here, but the sprocket isn't built in like so. Now I've already checked, it does fit on, so it will work, and that is a bit of a win. Some of the other issues that I had was the stock roller weights. They had flat spots on them, so they're no good, but luckily I did have a good set of genuine ones that are perfectly round, so they will go in. They're all 6 grams. So we'll move on with the CVT now, chuck it all back together with a brand new belt. Now this was the genuine belt. It is a little bit tired, a little bit worn, and I was lucky, again, having lying around in my stash of parts, a brand new Molossi special belt. So this is a 611271 from Molossi, and it is a direct fit. So everything will be nice, new and tidy in that CVT. Alright, the little bike's totally back together. Wiring's done, fuel's done, handlebars are done, CVT's done, and exhaust done. I've already checked, we do have spark. I've sprayed a bit of ether in there. Let's see if we can get it going. starts, but it's still running away. So we've got a bit of work to do. Alright, so we've kind of got the little jog now running consistently inconsistent, but it is running. It's not racing away anymore. I'm going to attempt to take it for a ride, but before I do that I will need a seat. Now, I did retrim the seat. I got it professionally retrimmed, and I got to say it is looking $1 million. It just looks fantastic. Now, if you remember what the old seat looked like, a bit like this, compared to this little beauty here, which looks absolutely fantastic. This should be nice and comfortable. So we'll get the seat on, we'll take it for a bit of a spin and see how it goes.